Alright, welcome to the Money Talk Show TV. I am your host, the Money Coach. I started this channel to help anybody, all new investors, people who want to make money. I am the encourager, the motivator to get you in the game, baby, to help you out if I can on the way. I'm not, a financial analyst, not an expert, none of that. I'm just here to tell you what I'm doing and do what I can to try to help and encourage anybody to close that wealth gap, baby. Let's close that wealth gap and get some wealth going on. Let's get on straight to it right now, okay? Today's video is how to buy a full share by buying fractional shares, okay? Now let's say you new in the stock market just like I was, last year. All right, you got Google sitting at 1,700. You got Tesla sitting at big $600 and something dollars. You know what I'm saying? Okay, you saying to yourself, man, look here, I'm on a fixed income, unemployment, or right now it's a recession right now, baby. It's rough. You know what I'm saying? They ain't even came with the, stimulus check thing going on. So you hurting right now. I feel you, baby. I feel you. I'm in the same boat, okay? So I bought one share of Tesla, and I got it at $400. A little bit above, but around that range. But you know how I got it? Man, $20. $20. Okay, good week. $100. Alright, this for all the new investors out there who want to get those big boy stocks, you know what I'm saying, like Tesla, Google and stuff. You see right there on the side, I got the Tesla fractional shares, baby, you know what I'm saying? You can get fractional shares on the Robinhood app. Go ahead and use the link. That's up in the bio. Go ahead and send you to the right direction, get your free stocks, get started. But with the fractional shares, you can spend whatever you can afford. You know what I'm saying? To get this one share Tesla, and you see my average cost is $447. I had to penny pitch it. You know what I'm saying? I had lost my job, so I had to $20 here, $30 here, whatever you can afford. You know what I'm saying? But now I got me a full share. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm going to Google. I'm trying to get 5 shares of Tesla. You keep going, baby. Don't let nobody stop you. You can start with $10, $20, $5. Just get started. The Money Coach. Be blessed to invest in yourself, baby. Somewhere in the middle, $50. Okay? You get what I'm saying? The game of the story is pretty much you don't have to have the full price, the full amount to buy or to get started on something that you want big, like Tesla, Google, Apple. You get what I'm saying? You don't got to have the full money. I understand. I was with you in your boat, same boat, baby, okay? So you can buy fractional shares on Robinhood. You can buy fractional shares on other platforms, but I don't know about them. I know about Robinhood, okay? You can download the link below for free to get you a free stock. Go ahead and get started. $5 if you got to, okay? Whatever you can to get you in the game, baby. That's all I want to do, get you in the game, okay? Get that glare up out of there. Alright, excuse the glare, I'm working on it. But it's called dollar cost average up, okay? That's how I bought Tesla. You know, stock market go like this. Like that, right? Okay? This is the high. This right here is the low. Okay? I bought in $20. Starting off, regardless of what price it was. You get what I'm saying? I bought in at the beginning. Okay? It went up. I put my money into the account, the same Robinhood account. Okay? I didn't buy it when it went up. But as soon as it went down, now it went down. Okay, now that 20, I only put 20 up here. Now I got 40. So now I'm loading the boat. Not loading the boat, but pretty much adding more when it's down low. You get up high, you just wait. Get down low again as soon as it drop. That's when I say I buy in the red. That's what I mean by buy in the red. Okay? When it drop down, you buy. Don't buy up here. If you plan on, especially if you fractional sharing, don't buy up here. Because when you buy up here, you spend $50 or $100. The next day, it's going to go right back down. You're going to be hurting like, dang, why I just spent $100? Why I go back down? Come on now, tighten up, baby. That's what we're doing. Okay. So that's motivation for you to get in the game. $5, $10, $1. You can start off with $1 with Robinhood, baby. Come on. Get in the game. 2021, you got to get some assets, baby. Get in the stock market game, okay? I am the money coach. If you like or appreciate any of this information, you find it valuable, you know what I'm saying, it helps you out any kind of way, I'd ask for 3 things. Hit the like button. Subscribe. If you ain't already subscribed, then go ahead and share it. Share this video, share this information to your mother, your sister, your brother, your auntie, your uncle, your cousin, your homeboy, your homegirl, okay? And number 3, get that notification bell. I'm telling you, we finna start dropping some winners up in here, okay? I'm trying to help anybody out. I'm gonna be winning. So it's up to you if you want to start winning on your own. And you know my motto, baby, do your research, okay? Do your research. And remember, be blessed to invest in yourself, okay? Fractional shares. You can get in there. All them big boy stocks. You ain't got to own it. Get in there. As long as you get in the game, baby. Be blessed to invest in yourself. From the money coach, baby. All right. Give you a quick example with the whiteboard, if I can. It's a little rough. All right. Now let's say you started your initial position. That's what it's called, initial position. Say you start your position at $20 right down here. If you notice, I got the green, $20 a start. Now the stock market goes up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, but you notice it's moving in the upward direction. Now how I started my $20, 10, 5, whatever you can, you start right there. Now this is my strategy. This is what I do. When the stock goes up, that $20, say you want to invest more money, you leave it in your account when it gets high. That's why I got the reds. I don't buy in the red. When it drops down during that week, now I might have $40 more. Instead of me adding the 20 up here, I save that 20 to down here when it hits low, when it drops. That's what it's called, the dip, baby. You buying the dip. Okay, that's what's called buying the dip right in the green. So now instead of putting 20 up here, I save that 20 for when it gets down here. Now I got 40. So now I'm hitting it with 40. Now it goes up again. I'm saving that money. I'm saving that money because I'm investing long time. I'm not rushing. All right, wait till it get back down here and I buy the dip, baby. Buy the dip again. It goes back up. Boom, buy the dip. That's what I do for fractional shares on how to get big stocks without having the money right then and there. This is what you call dollar cost average up. All right. Remember, be blessed to invest in yourself. From the money coach, baby. Number love. Please hit that like button, subscribe. Love everybody. Just want to build generational wealth, baby. I want to spread love and wealth from everybody. Anybody want to get that money? The money coach is here to help you get that money. Let's go, baby. Money plays. Already in effects. Let's get your money, get them accounts started. If you ain't got Webull or Robinhood, M1 Finance, T Ameritrade, baby, come on, get that. Webull, right now, got a good deal for the end of the year. You get 4 free stocks if you deposit $100 as your first initial deposit. You get 2 free stocks once you download it, then you get 2 free more. Big boys, up to valued up from $800 to $1,400 once you deposit that first $100. So go ahead, you can get Robinhood, get a free stock right then and there. Let's get it going, baby, for the new year. Start investing that money from the money coach, okay? Be blessed to invest in yourself. I'm out. All right. This is how I DOS cost average up with fractional shares. If you see right here down at the bottom, I started with $20. You start with 10, 15, 5, whatever you can afford, okay? And what I do and what I strategize is, when I put the first initial